Good morning guys. Luto tayo ng itlog dito guys. Yan, magluto tag itlog ninyo mga kaibigan. 1 egg. I'm trying to use my new cooking pot. This is my brand new cooking pot. First time I'm using it to cook. So let's see how it goes. 1 more eggs. Kasi yung apam ko guys, mahilig sa egg. So ang kanya ay 2 eggs. Yes. 2 eggs para sa kanya. Lagyan natin ng paminta. We can add a little bit of garlic salt. Yan guys.